Right, so I was just speaking with a friend on WhatsApp, and you know, we were sending voice notes, and I said to her, look, what do you think would be a good topic to speak on? And she said something that's always interested her is a scenario where you've got a man who has met a woman, and for him, she's the perfect girl, she ticks all the boxes, but at that time he is not ready to settle down. Then she went on to say, you know, a few years later he changed his mind and now he's ready to settle down. But she kind of left it there. So I've replied back saying, you know, okay, has he come back and said, look, let's try and work things out? Now she said that woman would be a fool to take him back because he had his opportunity and he blew it. But I don't know, right? I want to give you a scenario here, and I want people to comment below. If you really don't want to comment below, then Instagram, DM me via Instagram, J_wise1. There's a girl, she's the perfect girl, and the guy, he's the perfect guy for that girl, right? They tick all the boxes and they're decent people, right? No one's perfect, but they're good people. Okay, so the guy is not ready to settle down and he comes back. For me personally, that woman won't be a fool, she takes him back, because let's say they were seeing each other. But let's say, right, she wanted to put an ultimatum on him and say, look, I need to know where this is going. Are you with me? Are you in or you're out? And he says, look, I'm out. Because at least he's been honest with her, and he said to her, look, I'm not going to mess you around. I'm not going to get into some fake relationship as to what a lot of guys do with women. I'm not going to pretend that I'm your boyfriend and then do stuff behind your back. So I'm going to be honest with you and say, look, for now, I'm out. I don't think that that woman would be a fool to take him back, because it's all well and good to have this type of mindset where, oh, I'll just find someone else. But it doesn't really go that way. No one really, you know, even if you're a good and decent person, not that much people have a pick of the good people, the people that they perceive to be good, the people that they would want to pair up with. Everyone can have a pick of rubbish people, or let's say, no disrespect, lower grade subordinate people, but not many people have a pick, have the luxury of picking through people who they consider to be good partners. So it's easy for a woman to say, oh no, you've blown your chance and I'm going to move on to someone when they're 21. But I guarantee you their mind frame will be a bit different once they hit 30. So I want people to comment below and tell me what they think on this video once they see it, okay? Alright, if you like the video, subscribe. If you don't like the video, change the station.